Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, October 19th. Let's look at the schedule. It's the 8th week. This is Wednesday of the 8th week. We're dealing with editing, the section of the blog post that I posted on Monday that deals with editing and is specifically with integrating sources. The synthesis paper is now finally due by Monday at 6 a.m. so you have the weekend to work on it. Make sure that you do the discussion and blogger assignment. Let's go back to D2L and go to the course assignments page. As you can see here, I've posted a new blogger assignment and a new discussion assignment. Click on the blogger assignment, and this is what this entails for this week. Go to this link, the integrating sources link that presents what we are looking for when we talk about integrating sources. Read through the sample and then post 2 examples of the way you have integrated sources into your synthesis paper. Imitate this example. So fix the examples, fix the way you have integrated sources to comply with this example. And I'll look at this in a second with you. Make sure that you use the signal phrases, quote your source correctly and add a comment, and then go in and respond to your group members' blogs. Okay, so let's look at the integrating sources page. Okay, this has to do with quotations and using signal phrases and interpretive comments. If you click on this link here, you'll go to a list of signal phrases and how you might use them. Okay, so refer to this page. And what I've done here in these 2 examples is highlighted what I mean by signal phrases. This should be taken out, that parentheses. So here you're working with a block quote. You want to block quote your quotations if they're longer than 4 lines. And look at the way these are formatted. There's the period here, and then the parenthetical and the page number. Okay, and no quotation marks around a block quote, as opposed to this second example where you have quotations around the quote, the end of the quotation, a space, the parenthetical, and then the period. Okay, so here's the interpretive comment right after this. It takes an idea from the quote and it continues with it, making your particular point about it. And I do the same thing here, taking an idea, the idea of pulse here, from the quotation and extending it. Okay, so you use a signal phrase to introduce the quotation, you quote it correctly, and then you use an interpretive comment to tell us why you're using the quotation and how it fits into your particular argument. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about integrating sources. Now the question of the day is, where do you find this? You go from D2L to the assignment page here, and then you click on the link to the blogger assignment, and then you click on integrating sources, and that's how you find the information about integrating sources. Make sure that you look at the discussion assignment too. Okay, all right, thanks a lot. Bye bye.